hear a helicopter or a siren, check your family's lifeline, check America's lifelines. I'm John Melton Brady, and I've been asking for Flight 93 checks for over 9 years. I've yet to get one. Find these fives at these places, print them out, tell everyone to call Melton. John Melton Brady. Oh, there you are. Almost got it. I got the feeling. Whenever you see that helicopter, you hear the helicopter, make that video. Certify your mail as well. Oh, these are 4 to a 4x6 print here. You can hand them out. Tell everyone to check and post in 5. You also got the big ones. All soldiers who protect America, make that video of America's hijacked lifelines, post it. You're trying to call me, you want to know why America's lifelines are being hijacked when you do. Almost there. I got the feel of it. Smoke coming from the African Muslim apartment down below. Either that or Spectrum is coming up for stories. I've seen it come out of the African Muslim Israeli Mormon apartment down below. So remember to check and post in 5 and 424-229-4140. Trying to call me, Melton you. You want to know why America's lifeline is being hijacked when you do? Not one Flight 93 check. That's you trying to call me, reaching me, making a video of what you get when you don't get me. Not one, and over 9 years of asking. Ask California law enforcement. What's your part in that? Check and post in 5 via speakerphone with them. Come see me in person. Have Whitwell trapping. See a vapor trail. Aim high, fly, fight, win. This we will defend. Honor, courage, commitment. Semper Paratus, and of course, the Semper Fidelis. All soldiers, you protect America. Make that video. Whatever you get when you don't get me. John Melton Brady. 424-229-4140. See that phone on the military base or each other's phones? As every child in America's lifeline to the firemen, police, paramedics. Make a video of being hijacked. Not one Flight 93 checking 9 years of asking, no certified mail, no non-certified mail. Make a video of you trying to call me in front of every reporter we got, every network news anchor we got. Post. We've got nothing but fake news. Let's start anew with that. We the people must be the reporters. Do that. I wanted to take a photo of it. Oh, see a helicopter. Be on the side of those driving the tanks, the jeeps, the jets, not on the side of those conducting chemical methods from the vets next door. My nose is still burning from what they were gassing their dogs with, I guess. Check and post in 5, 424-229-4140. Make that video of America's hijacked lifelines. Post it. Whatever boring thing you get, guys, phone ringing, error message, busy signal is not going to be boring if you need the firemen, the police, paramedics. So make a video of it now. Post it. Come see me in person. Have Whitwell travel. Show me the perfect place to build. Jesus' immaculate house here on earth. That's that religious censorship that places someone named Hussein in the highest office in the world right after 9/11. Got attacked by a whole lot of angry, violent, deadly Husseins. Come see me. Overcome it.
Thank you for calling Total Remedy and Prescription Center. Para español, oprime 6. We are presently closed, but are still accepting prescription refill orders. If you have a medical emergency, please call 911 or go to the nearest hospital. If you have a pharmacy emergency, please press 7 now.
And it turns off again in the middle of a a 2-minute and 15-second audio I just listened to.
Thank you for calling Total
This included an audio
Prescription Center.
on this phone I'm making a
Para
video with
español, oprime 6.
that will not
We are
upload.
presently closed, but are still accepting accepting prescription
I want to
refill
upload to
orders.
Google Drive,
If you
what
have
I've been
medical
uploading a lot of
emergency,
stuff
please call
to over the
911
years.
or go to the nearest hospital.
Total
If you
Remedy
have a pharmacy emergency,
will
please
not
press
deliver
7
the
now.
promised. See, it stops in the middle there. That's not 2 minutes and 15 seconds. It's only been going 15. A minute. Those with high-tech toys just going plumb crazy lately. That's music. That's on the phone, I believe. It is the devil's people, but suffice it to say, I talked to Total Remedy.
Thank you for calling Total Remedy and Prescription Center.
Somebody named Tomato left a message for the pharmacy emergency number.
We are still accepting prescription refill orders. If you have a medical emergency, please call
And I told her I
911 or go to the nearest
wanted to
hospital.
order last
If you
Sunday,
have a pharmacy emergency,
but
please press
they told me I
7
couldn't
now.
order till today. And I'm waiting as it turns off again. And once again, I have a number. I'm not going downstairs. Can you come up? I'm Milton, Stone Cold Milton, son of Carpenter Mary, Dad Carpenter, worked on skyscrapers, Mom Mary Ann. I'm the son of Carpenter Mary. I get to make parables. And my audios are still not uploading to Google for some reason. My Google Drive has never had trouble before. Means those on hand stopping Total Remedy from doing their job and earning Total Remedy of Flight 93, checking post and 5. Ask them how you reach this man by phone. When else will my family's lifeline not be allowed to work because of what you're actively taking part in? Finally got here. It's a little too late. A little late. I'm going to miss some of my real pain medicine sleep tonight. So checking post and 5 in front of Total Remedy. I'm not sure if they're local or national. The Good Neighbor Pharmacy is what's on the bag. Checking post and 5. Ask him how you reach this man by phone. When else will my phone not be allowed to work? Why aren't you doing your job of delivering heart medicine, pain medicine, insulin? Hear that siren? Check your family's phone. Check America's lifelines. 424-229-4140. You trying to call me is a 911 Flight 93. Check. I haven't gotten one in 9 years of asking. That's a lot of managed censorship conducted without fear of being covered by the evening news. We the people must be the evening news. I can find my call logs at youtube.com/DNFD series. Made the last video of these call logs back on Thanksgiving. Some of you can get those call logs, can't you? Those call records. Make that video whatever you get when you don't get me. Come see me in person. Tell me what you think of or hijack lifelines. See that phone you make a video of is every child in America's lifeline to the firemen, police, paramedics. Make a video of it being hijacked. Post. As you drive past 4260 Eagle Rock Boulevard, we're across the street. This apartment complex is across the street from Target. And you see how small Spectrum's parking lot is. Realize that every time you hear that annoying sound in the background, that is the devil's people, the crumbling wall of evil. And how damn long does it take you to back up? They have at times, they will just park a vehicle and turn it in reverse and leave it there. Checking post and 5. When Spectrum, I get this one. I think I got started with priests. When Spectrum knocks on your door, when the Mormon pod people, the Latter-day Sinners, knock on your door. Checking post and 5 in front of them, asking what is your hatred of my family. That's my family's life. I'm not working as I try to call Melton. Oh yes, I just saw a puff of smoke come out from the Mormon Muslim African American. See a police helicopter? Check and post in 5. 424-229-4140. Make a video of whatever you get when you don't get me. You get censorship. Make that video, post that video. Whatever you get when you don't get me. Been asking for 9 years. I'm Melton. John Melton Brady. Have yet to get one. That's your lifeline. when you get that boring thing, the family's lifeline as well. Phone ringing, air misses, busy signal, whatever boring thing you get, it's not going to be boring if you need firemen, police, paramedics. It's censorship all the time. So make that video, post that video, We the People Must Be the Reporters. And that's not the first time I've seen that smoke come from the apartment just down below. The one that was beating on the door and threatening.